In this video, I will show you how to fix if CSGO or CS2 is unable to establish a connection with the game server. So let's jump straight into it. So there's 3 different fixes I'm going to go through with you today. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come to your desktop, and if you come down to the bottom left hand corner to your search box, and what you want to do is go ahead and type command prompt into the search box. Now underneath this match, what you want to do is right click onto command prompt and run this as an administrator. So what that's going to do is open up a window like this. There's a couple of commands you're going to want to put into here. So the first command is ipconfig space /flush DNS. Once you've done that, go ahead and press enter. Next, you want to put net sh space winsock space reset, and again press enter. And the final command you want to put is net sh space int space ip space reset, and again press enter. So once you've gone ahead and done all that, what you're going to want to do, as you can see, is restart your computer. So you can just go ahead and type exit and then press enter to come out of command prompt, and then go ahead, restart your system and see if this fixes the problem. So if that did not work for you, the second solution is, once you're on your desktop, coming down to the search box again in the bottom left hand corner, and this time you want to type run and open up the run app underneath best match. Next, in this run box, what you want to do is put a % symbol and then local app data all in one word with no spaces, and another % symbol, and then press OK. So what that's going to do is open up a folder like this, and from here you're going to want to locate the temp folder. So if you just scroll down, you can see the temp folder here. Double click onto this, and all you want to do is go ahead and delete all the folders and files from in here. Now don't worry, as this is just temporary internet files and folders, so you're not going to lose any saved data or anything. And before you go ahead and do this method, make sure to close out of the Steam application fully to make sure this does complete successfully. Depending on how many temporary files and folders are in here, it should only take a minute or 2 to run through and delete. If anything does come up like this, just go ahead and skip through, as it means there's currently programs using these, so you can just go ahead and skip through all of these. And once you've gone ahead and done that, come back to your desktop and make sure to fully delete these from the recycle bin. Of course, after trying that, see if you can launch CSGO or CS2 and see if this resolves the connection problem. So if that did not work for you, the third and final solution I could recommend is to open up the Steam app on your device, and you just want to go ahead and clear the Steam cache, as sometimes the Steam cache can cause connection errors on games. So in order to do that, what you're going to want to do is log into Steam, and once you logged in, come up to the top left hand corner and press onto Steam up here. Next, come down and press onto settings. And from here, what you want to do is come to this menu on the left hand side and click onto downloads. Now from here, you're just going to want to scroll down a bit, and you're going to see here it says clear download cache. What you want to do is press the button to clear your download cache. Now what's going to happen is, before you go ahead and do this, make sure you do know your Steam login details, because after doing this, it's actually going to log you out of Steam. So what you want to do is press confirm, and then it's going to restart Steam. And once that's done, go ahead and log back in, and that should go ahead and fix any connection problems with Counter-Strike 2 or CSGO. So that's how to go ahead and fix if you're unable to establish a connection with the game server on CSGO or CS2. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.